Hope you're having a great day so far. Today is November 9th, and on this post, we're going to be talking about the overall crypto markets, Bitcoin price action, total altcoin price action, and of course, diving into some of the charts for Balancer, BALUSD. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my bullish and bearish case scenarios, as well as my short-term price prediction for this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin, if you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe, as I'll be keeping you guys updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon successful sign-up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you sign up under me. Please do also read my disclaimer below, as I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I cannot tell you the future. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market, so you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, as I would not get to all the messages in my inbox. But let me know what you guys are trading, what symbols you guys are following. I can see if I can share my opinions and analysis on those symbols. Now let's take a look what exactly is going on in the markets and where price action is generally heading from the aggregate charts. First things first, I do like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance, currently about 65%. This tells me if either money is flowing in and out of Bitcoin, altcoins, or both. So currently Bitcoin dominance 65%. I do see that money is flowing out of the overall crypto markets. Bitcoin down about 0.67%, total altcoin market cap down about 0.5%. So the thing I'll be looking out for on Bitcoin charts, that is the second thing I like to look at, which would be on the hourly charts. Bitcoin has actually formed an ascending triangle with the immediate resistance to be about 16K. Ascending triangles are bullish patterns. We're going to see how the markets react if Bitcoin actually breaks above that immediate resistance or actually break below the pattern that it has formed. I do expect Bitcoin to continue ranging in this ascending triangle pattern, at least within a day or two. Now let's take a look at total altcoin market cap, currently about $153 billion. Not much has changed. And on the weekly charts for total altcoin market cap, this is the level that I keep mentioning about for as long as if price action continues to stay above that weekly 21 simple moving average, which we are very well above. Still, we are on a macro uptrend, and I don't think we have there is actually any signs for concern just yet. So on the total altcoin market cap for altcoins in general, we are still seeing the uptrend to be continuing. Now, let's take a look at Balancer, BALUSD itself. So what I like to know going into the chart is the price action on an uptrend, downtrend, or in between? And how far along each trend are we on? The one way I used to look for that is to actually see if price action is either above, in between, or below all the moving averages. So on the monthly charts, since the trading history is still very young, I do not have any moving averages that I use to actually measure that. So we're going to head down to the lower time frames. On the weekly, neither. So we're going to head down to the 3 days. On the 3 days, we do have the 21 simple moving average that is available for use and as a reference. That is nearly at about the Fibonacci, the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, currently about $15. So remember this level and the number. The 3-day 21 simple moving average right underneath the 0.786 Fib level at about $15.25. Now let's go down to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we do have the 21 simple moving average, which is the blue line, and the white line is the 50 simple moving average. And as you guys can see, in early September, since the downtrend has started, price action had been struggling to stay above, to actually get a close above the blue line right here and actually stay above it. So this is the divide, in my opinion, for if we are still on a bearish trend or are we in reversal. So if price action can actually close above the daily 21 simple moving average and stay above it, that would be a sign of a reversal. Okay, so that is also the bullish case scenario, because the daily 21 simple moving average is right above the price action now. It is at about $10.80. Let's see if by the time we get a candle close today, how close we will be to closing above this moving average and get things turned around, if things turn around. So the bullish case scenario would be if we can actually close above the daily 21 simple moving average, stay above of it, and the next level of resistance that I really see is the daily 50 moving average, currently about $13.20. Of course, that is downward sloping, so as time goes by, this moving average and resistance will actually be lowering. Okay, so if we can actually get above that, the $13.20, the next level I'm looking for would be the 3-day 21 simple moving average as resistance. So overall, I can say that a lot of the moving averages that are going to be acting as resistance is underneath the $15 level, which is the Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so we're going to see quite a bit of moving averages that are going to be acting as resistance underneath the $15 level. So I do expect quite a bumpy ride if we are to reverse this into a bullish trend. Now let's talk about the bearish case scenario, because I like to acknowledge both cases, because things can change at any time. So this is part of my risk management. Now, how I like to look at this, the bearish case scenario, of course, is that we cannot get it close and stay above the daily 21 simple moving average. That is the first point. Second point is, let's take a look at some of the lower time frames, such as the 12-hour. So on the 12-hour, you guys can see that we have actually gone on top of the 21 simple moving average. On the 6-hour, we have gone on top of some other moving averages as well, the 21 and the 50. And also on the 4-hour as well, we have also gone on top of the 21 simple moving average and 50 simple moving average as well. So that is some progress made for reversing this trend on the lower time frames. Now, what is the bearish case scenario? Given that we get rejected at the daily 21 simple moving average, well, if price action actually breaks back below all of these these moving averages again and actually erase some of these reversal progress that have been made, then I would be very careful, because that could indicate to me that price action is going to continue downward, as we are not able to get above the daily 21, just like it had been, and continue downwards if we actually break back below more of these moving averages on the smaller time frames we just got back on top of. Now, those are my two case scenarios. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know your feedback, comments, disagreements, agreements. I'd love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and see you next time.